السلام عليكم. مرحبا بكم في حلقة جديدة من سلسلة تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية من الصفر. في حلقة اليوم موضوعنا هو حول الصفات the adjectives. الصفات تساعدنا في وصف الأشياء من حولنا. سنحاول تعلم الكلمة ثم نضع الكلمة في جملة وأيضا نتعلم النطق الصحيح. لنبدأ بأول مثال. Sweet. The ice cream is very sweet. The ice cream is very sweet. Hot. It is a hot summer. It is a hot summer. Clean. Green. This park is clean and green. This park is clean and green. Large. They live in a large house. They live in a large house. Angry. The small boy is angry. The small boy is angry. Rotten. I think these eggs are rotten. I think these eggs are rotten. Clever. My brother is very clever. My brother is very clever. لنحاول التمرن على الجمل وسأترك لكم مساحة لترديدها. The ice cream is very sweet. The ice cream is very sweet. It is a hot summer. It is a hot summer. This park is clean and green. This park is clean and green. They live in a large house. They live in a large house. The small boy is angry. The small boy is angry. I think these eggs are rotten. I think these eggs are rotten. My brother is very clever. My brother is very clever. الآن سنحاول الإجابة على هذا الإكسرسايز. Underline the adjectives in the following sentence. سطر على الصفات في الجمل التالية. There is an empty room upstairs. There is an empty room upstairs. You are so kind. You are so kind. Ahmed was absent because he was ill. Ahmed was absent because he was ill. في المثال الرابع. Many people exercise to keep healthy. Many people exercise to keep healthy. نعم، في الجملة الأولى empty هي الصفة. في الجملة الثانية kind. yes صحيح kind. في الجملة الثالثة ill. في الجملة الأخيرة healthy. yes healthy. شكرا على المتابعة ونلتقي في الجزء الثاني من هذا الدرس.